Good morning and welcome back to part 2 of my trip to Hornøya, the bird island just outside the city of Vardø. We arrived yesterday, and yesterday I just stayed up with the lighthouse, taking pictures of the puffin and the razorbill, while my wife took a round trip around the island. This morning we wanted to get up early so we have some time alone on this island before the first day visitors arrive. Yesterday my wife told me that she saw a group of seals, and my plan for this morning was to go on the other side of the island, but when I walked down from the lighthouse here, then I saw this group of grey seals. They are just out here. There's just one head. You might not see it because this head is a little bit small in the screen now, but I will try to get a few videos and images of this group of seals. There are around 20 animals, some adults and some young ones. So I think I will spend my hours before breakfast with the seals, and then on a later day I will go on to the other side. Hi, I just finished my breakfast, had a coffee, and was quickly looking through all the images of the grey seal, which I have been taken this morning before breakfast. Now I'm out again, but as you can see the sun is high up and it's a very harsh light, so not so good light for photography. So I decided I just go back to the same spot like yesterday, and I'm just sitting there and watching the puffins and the razorbills. Then I hope later the day the light will change a bit, and then I will probably walk to the other side of the island and take some pictures and videos up down there. I think I find a really nice spot here. Yesterday I was a little bit 10 meters in this way. Now I stop here. From here I have a nice view of some razorbills and puffins, and they have the nest there. There are some holes in the ground between the rocks, and I hope that I may get again one of the adults coming back with his beak full of fish. So I just will settle down here and watch and see what's happening. Such a really beautiful bird. He is not as colorful as the puffin with his nice colors on the beak, but when the razorbill opens his beak, he is yellow inside his beak, so that makes a really nice contrast on the image. What a wonderful day again. I'm absolutely happy. This morning I walked down, I was on my way to the other side, but then I saw this group of grey seals, stayed with this group and then get back to the lighthouse where I had my breakfast. And after breakfast I went to the same spot like yesterday, and I had so many birds around me today, the puffins and the razorbills again. Today I got this puffin with a small fish in his beak, There was the eagles, the ravens were here. Absolute amazing day. I'm really happy. Again, I took a lot of pictures, a lot of videos, so I'm very happy for today. I didn't reach the other side, so hopefully in the next video, in Hornøya part 3, I will reach the other side and show you other parts of this amazing bird island. So I hope you like this video. If please feel free to comment or hit the like button. Every comment is very highly appreciated. And thanks for watching, and hopefully see you again.